Most faceless creators think live streaming requires a camera. It doesn't, and it's costing you the single biggest growth lever YouTube hands out in 2026. Here's the story. On Animals channel, Hamsters and Mazes, no face, no narration. That channel is called YEES. 887,000 subscribers. They turned on 24/7 streams. 266 days later. Watch time up 79%. Revenue up 72.7%. Subscribers up 72. No new content. And what they did is a strategy that works for almost any faceless niche. Music, kids, nature, ambient, animals, gaming. By the end of this video, you'll know why YouTube rewards it and how to set it up yourself. 3 myths block most faceless creators from ever trying this. Let's bust them. Myth 1. Live streaming means you have to be on camera. It doesn't. There's a format called pre-recorded live streaming. Your existing videos broadcast as a continuous live stream on your channel. No face, no setup, frame by frame, real time. YouTube treats it exactly like any other live. Myth 2. Your audience will notice. For faceless content, almost never. Music plays, trees sway, hamsters run. There's no face to desync, no lip sync to give it away. Viewers experience it as live because functionally it is. Myth 3. It's duplicate content. No, streams aren't uploads. You're broadcasting, not republishing. When the stream ends, nothing stays on your channel. YouTube counts it as a live stream, not a re-upload. Okay, so you know what it is. Why does YouTube reward it so heavily? 5 reasons. And these are why the YEES numbers happen. 1. The algorithm prioritizes live. Dedicated live tab. Push notifications. Higher placement in recommendations. Live is favored, period. 2. Retention on streams is higher than on videos. People tune in like radio, ambient, background. They stay. 3. More watch time lifts everything. Views, subs, RPM. The cases you're about to see go from 20% boost to 700%. 4. RPM on streams runs about 1.5 times higher than videos. More retention, more ad slots, more revenue per view. 5. Old content gets a second life. Those 90-day-old videos YouTube stopped recommending, back in rotation, in front of new audiences, without re-uploading. Think of it as compound interest for your channel. Every hour your stream runs, stacks watch time signals YouTube rewards over time. Now the receipts. 3 faceless channels, 3 different sizes, same strategy. You already met YEES, Animals niche, 887,000 subs, 4 streams non-stop for 266 days, watch time plus 79, revenue plus 72.7, subscribers plus 72. 72% of new subs came directly from streams, not videos. Live did the work. Case 2, a music channel, tiny, 8,200 subscribers, the kind of size where YouTube advice usually doesn't apply because numbers are too small to matter. 12 months of 24/7 streams. Revenue grew 11 times over, not 11%, 11 times. Case 3, kids animation, 2 million subscribers. Setup, 2 to 4 parallel streams with restarts based on activity. They leave completed streams up for 10 to 12 hours after, so each one keeps collecting traffic as a video. The pattern? They're faceless. They have a back catalog. They didn't make new content. One honest thing. None of these worked in week 1. YEES needed 266 days. The music channel needed 12 months. This isn't a magic button. Compound interest. Show up consistently. Let the algorithm do its work. 2 objections I want to answer directly. Is it safe? You only share a stream key, the same key you'd use with OBS. No channel access required. I tried it for 2 hours and got no views. Streams need time to compound. Plan for 1 to 3 months. The cases I showed weren't overnight. They were patient. So how do you actually do this? Gyre operates within YouTube's rules. We're partners and included in the recommended services catalog for streaming that handles all of this from the cloud. 3 steps. Step 1. Upload your existing videos. Step 2. Arrange them in a playlist. Step 3. Paste your YouTube stream key. That's it. Gyre broadcasts that playlist as a continuous live stream, frame by frame, real time, 24/7. Think of it as a projector in a cinema. Gyre is the projector. Your YouTube channel is the screen. The content plays in a loop without your computer running and without Gyre needing access to your channel. Up to 8 simultaneous streams on Pro. Built-in converter. Auto-optimizes to YouTube specs. Up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Want to know what to actually do in your first 30 days? Here's the plan. Week 1, pick 3 to 4 of your strongest videos, anything over an hour or a logical loop. Upload them. Set up 1 stream. Hit start. Weeks 2 and 3, let it run. Don't touch the metadata. Don't restart for momentum yet. Let YouTube get used to the activity. Week 4, check your YouTube studio. Watch time, subs from live, RPM. Compare to last month. If you're seeing movement, even small, Extend to a second stream. Different mood, different time of day. Then iterate. Restart streams that are gaining traction every 3 days with fresh metadata. Test parallel streams targeting different time zones. Test playlists. That's it. No new content needed. If you run a Faceless channel and haven't tested 24/7 streaming yet, you're leaving signals on the table that YouTube is actively asking for. Free Gyre trial, link in the description. One ask. Drop your niche in the comments. We're building the next video for whichever one gets the most replies. Music, kids, nature, ambient, whatever you're doing. Now go try it. Free 7-day trial. We've been doing this since 2019. The case studies in this space ran through Gyre.
Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.